माया कल्पितमातृतामुखमृषा द्वैतप्रपञ्चाश्रयः सत्यज्ञानसुखात्मकश्रुतिशिखोऽखण्डधीगोचरः मिथ्याबन्धविदूननेन परमा नन्दैकतानात्मकम् मोक्षं प्राप्त इव स्वयं विजयते विष्णुर्विकल्पोज्झितः शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। In Advaita Siddhi, we are on page number 333. Correct? Last line?
Yes, Swami.
Yes, Swami.
So we saw Vritti, Brahmakar Vritti and Avidya. In them, Brahma is not Adhyastha. But in Brahma, Brahmakar Vritti and Avidya are Adhyastha. Unlike in case of Ghata, Ghata Jnanam means in Chaitanya, Ghata is Adhyastha. But here, Vishaya Brahma, in that Brahmakar Vritti or Brahma Jnanam is Adhyastha. Okay. And therefore, there is no Tattvika Sambandha between Brahma and Avidya. Correct? Between Brahma and Avidya. Tattvika Sambandha is not there, there is Adhyasa. This much is clear. Between Brahma and Brahmakar Vritti. What is the Sambandha?
Adhyasa.
Between Brahma and Brahmakar Vritti, we say Yato Vacho Nivartante Aprapya Manasasaha. No Vritti can reach Brahma. So, in Brahma, whole Brahmanda is Adhyastha. Brahmakar Vritti is also
Adhyastha.
Yes.
everything is Adhyastha. So, Brahmakar Vritti can be Adhyastha. There is nothing to be surprised about. But we should remember, when we say, oh, Brahmakar Vritti is Adhyastha, Brahmakar Vritti is Adhyastha in Brahma, it is true only when everything else is also Adhyastha. Further, Tathacha, Prasiddha Vishesha Badhite, Samanyasyaiva Badha Shankaya Ati Prasange Prapte, Vishesha Jignasaya Visheshoktesha Sapalyat, Nate Nirarthake. Nirarthike. Nirarthake should be Prasiddha Vishesha Badhite. Prasiddha Vishesha Sambandha, you should remember. because the previous line says कथम तद दृष्टान्तेन दृग्दृश्ययोः अपि तात्विक संबंध इति उच्यते. Between drashta and drishya, tatvika sambandha is not possible. So then he says, prasiddha visheshe badite means prasiddha vishesha sambandhe badite. Prasiddha vishesha sambandhas are samavaya sambandha, sanyoga sambandha. If they are badita, means they are not possible. Between drashta and drishya, these sambandhas are not possible. सामान्यस्यैव बाधशंकया अति प्रसंगे प्राप्ते. Then when there is सामान्य संबंध, this ati prasanga shabda which is given, samanyasya badashankaya ati prasange prapte. If you don't have samanya sambandha between drishta and drishya, means some sambandha, vishesha sambandha is not there. If you say there is no sambandha, then there will be ati prasanga. What is the ati prasanga? Ati prasanga here is which jnanam is for which vishaya. That I will not know. Chaitanya is jnana matra. And all vishayas are there, all of them are illumined together. Then, particular jnanam for particular vishaya, this sambandha, if you don't accept, then the ati prasanga will come. Ati prasanga means any jnanam will take place at any time. So you have to accept some pramata vritti, antakarana vritti. That vritti will produce only one jnanam at a time. This is called pratikarma vyavastha. Next topic is this topic, so you note that down. Pratikarma vyavastha. I don't know if it is given there down, but you note it. So ati prasanga is this. All are drishyas. One Chaitanya which is drashta, which is all pervading. Drashta and drashya, they are there. No particular sambandha. Drashta will illumine all drishya. You should have all jnanam. That will not happen. And another thing is also there. All drishya is mithya. But drishta will produce only one drishya jnana, like ghata jnanam, pata jnanam, etc. Just like in Rajju, somebody sees sarpa, somebody sees Bhuchidra, somebody sees Udakadhara. Each individual is getting only one jnana. Not that everybody will get all jnana. This is the ati prasanga. If you don't have some samanya sambandha between drashta and drishya, vishesha sambandha you have already done bhada. Samanya sambandha also, if it is not there, ati prasange prapte. Vishesha jignasaya visheshoktescha safalya. Vishesha vishayaka jignasa, vishesha ukti, both will become safala. Nate nirarthike. They are not. Nirarthaka means It's not that there is no point in knowing this. This is required. This example was given earlier. You see in the fourth line from the bottom in on 333. विशेष जिज्ञासा विशेषोक्तिश्च विशेष जिज्ञासादिवद अनर्थिका एव इति. पूर्वपक्षी said. Found?
Yes, Swamiji.
Yes, Swami.
विशेष जिज्ञासा विशेषोक्तिश्च विशेष जिज्ञासादिवद अनर्थिका. पूर्वपक्षी said. Siddhanti says no, it is not anarthika. Okay. Further. एतेन संबंधस्य प्रामाणिकत्वे यथा कथंचन लक्षणं भविष्यति. So by this, whenever they say etena, means you have to look for nirastam. Somewhere there will be nirastam. Means not that every time the same word will be there, but some such thing should be there. Etena means etena hetuna. By this hetu. Idam api nirastam. These next two statements are also refuted. Sambandhasya pramanikatve yatha kathanchana lakshanam bhavishyati. Purvapakshi will say this. If sambandha is pramanika, then some lakshana you can give of the sambandha. How? He says, tathahi sanyoga samavaya antarbhave tal lakshanam eva lakshanam bhavishyati. If it is within sanyoga sambandha or samvaya sambandha, then their lakshana will be the lakshana of our drik drishya sambandha. Tad anantar bhave. If the sambandha between drik drishya is not within sanyoga or samvaya, tu tad ubhaya bhinna sambandhatvam eva lakshanam astu. Then there will be some lakshanam that you will have to give which is different from the lakshana of sanyoga and samvaya. Iti nirastam. This is refuted. Okay, nirastam means just by saying nirastam, he says, no, I'll tell you. Ukta yuktya pramanika sambandhasya sanyoga samvaya antarbhavasya cha dushitatvat. We have already discussed this. By that yukti, ukta yuktya, pramanika sambandha is not possible. What is pramanika? Pramanajanya. Pramanika means pramanajanya. Pramanajanya sambandha between drashta and drishya, like sanyoga or samavaya, is already dushita. Means we have shown dosha in there. Okay. So if it is not sanyoga samavaya antarbhava, then it will be what?
Adhyasika sambandha.
Adhyasika, but what is the word given in that? If it is not sanyoga samavaya antarbhava, then what it will be?
लक्षणमेव लक्षणं भविष्यति.
After that, tad anantarbhava. If it is not antarbhava, it will be anantarbhava. Anantarbhava means it is not included in sanyoga samvaya. Tad ubhaya bahirbhuta sambandhatvam. If it is outside of these two, tad bahirbhuta संबंधत्वम तु वयमपि न निराकुर्मः. Siddhanti says we also don't deny Bahirбhuta Sambandhatva. Vayamapi na nirakurmah. We are not doing nirakaranam of that sambandha. Then what are you saying? Kintu tasya pramanikatvam. Kintu tasya pramanikatvam. What is the Kriya Pada? Nirakurmah. Kincha. दृग्दृश्ययोः न तात्विक संबंधः संबंधी भिन्नत्वे अनवस्थानात्. Between drishta and drishya tatvika sambandha is not there, so that's why drisha sambandha is adhyasa, na tatvika sambandha. Sambandhi bhinnatve anavasthanat. Pay attention here. Let's say this is drashta, this is drishya, this is sambandha between drashta and drishya. Okay, what is this?
संबंध
This
दृश्य दृश्य
Drishya. Drashta.
दृष्टा
drashta. Between drashta and drishya, if there is a sambandha which is tatvika, means a real sambandha, then what will happen? Between drashta and sambandha, you will need sambandha. Similarly, between drishya and sambandha, you will need sambandha. So then, drashta, sambandha, to connect them, you need something else. To connect that drashta and that other sambandha, you need another sambandha. So like that, anavastha will happen if the sambandha is tatvika. See. Kincha drishayoho na tatvika sambandha. Sambandhi bhinnatve sati anavasthanat. If that sambandha is different from sambandhi, sambandhi means drik and drishya. Sambandha is different from them, then there will be anavastha. So let's say Purvapaksha says, so what? Ishtapati, let there be anavastha. Then what will you say? What will you say? Anavastha Moolakshayakari. Anavastha will do kshaya of the Moolam itself. Moolam means that starting point. What was that starting point? Sambandha between drashta and drishya is tatvika. That anavastha means your original concept from where you started is erroneous. This is the problem of anavastha. So anavastha cannot be ishtapati. What did I say? Anavastha Moolakshayakari. Anavasthanat. Nacha drishyatvantaraheenasya drishyatvadeeriva sambandhasyapi swanirvahakatvam kvachit bhavishyati iti vachyam. Drishyatvantaraheenasya. Who will say this? What is happening? Drishyatvantaraheenasya Siddhanti will say, or Purvapakshi will say.
पूर्वपक्ष
पूर्वपक्ष दृश्यत्वान्तरहीनस्य दृश्यत्वादेः इव. See, pay attention here. This is pata, right? What is there in pata? What is the avachedaka?
पटत्व
What is it?
Tantu.
Patatva.
Pat.
Good. Pata has patatva. Ghata has ghatatva.
Ghatatva.
This is easy question. Patatva also has drishyatva. Pata has drishyatva. Pata has patatva. Pata also has drishyatva. Ghata has ghatatva. Ghata also has drishyatva. This much is there. Now, let's say there is drishyatva or drishya or drishyatva, let us say. Pata has drishyatva. Is this drishyatva drishya or not?
yes
Drishyatva is also drishya. So drishyat, when we say drishyatvat mithya, so drishya also is mithya because they all have drishyatva in them. Now Brahma is satya, drishyatva is mithya. Because drishyatva is also drishya. This much is okay?
yes Swami.
Drishyatva is drishya or not?
yes Swami.
Yes, it is Drishya.
Drishyatva is also drishya. And therefore drishyatva is also mithya. Drishyatva in pata and drishyatva in ghata and drishyatva in drishya is it same or different?
Same.
It
Same.
is same.
Samachita.
So drishyatvantaraheenasya drishyatvadehe. Drishyatva which does not have a different drishyatva, like you see, ghata has ghatatva and drishyatva. Ghatatva is different, drishyatva is different. Pata has patatva and drishyatva. They are different. Drishya has drishyatva and
नित्य
Nitya.
ghata has ghatatva and drishyatva. Pata has patatva and drishyatva. Drishya will have drishyatva. You can't say drishya has drishyatva and drishyatva. And that second drishyatva is different from first drishyatva. That's why he says drishyatva antaraheenasya drishyatvadehe. That drishyatvantar drishyatva is not there. There is only one drishyatva. Like patatva and drishyatva are two different things. Patatva, drishyatva are two different. But drishyatva are not two different. It is same drishyatva. So drishyatvantaraheenasya drishyatvadehe api sambandhasya drishyatvaderiva sambandhasya api swanirvahakatvam. So what Purvapaksha says, drishyatva is nirvahaka of ghata, pata, etc. And drishyatva can be nirvahaka of itself also. Swanirvahakatvam. Why can't it be like that? Swanirvahakatvam kvachit bhavishyati. Iti na cha vacyam. Siddhanti says, no, don't say like that. Swanirvahakatvam for sambandha. Sambandhasyapi swanirvahakatvam. Means one drishyatva you are seeing is true for Ghatapata also and of itself also. Like that, this sambandha, why do you need drik, drishya, sambandha, then between them another sambandha, between them another sambandha. This sambandha is nirvahaka for itself also. Means, I'll give you some simple example. Let's say this is piece of wood, okay? It's not cloth, it's wood, let us say. So, if this layer 1 and layer 2, let us say, in between here, if I want to connect them, so I will put some Fevicol, right? Something like that, something which will stick, the sticking material. So what it will do? It will stick surface 1, surface 2 together. Now in between I have put Fevicol. So think of it this way, surface 1, surface 2, Fevicol. Now to connect surface 1 and Fevicol, what do I put?
Nothing.
Nothing.
You don't put anything. That Fevicol will connect itself with the other thing without any other thing to be added. So Purvapakshi says, between drashta and drishya, that sambandha, it will do its own nirvahakatvam, swanirvahakatvam. It doesn't need another sambandha, it doesn't need another sambandha. Why you unnecessarily want to have anavastha? Swanirvahakatvam kvachit bhavishyati iti na cha vacyam. Purvapakshi says, Siddhanti says, no, don't say like that. Why? Drishyatvam api drik sambandha eva. Drishyatva itself is a sambandha. When a vastu becomes connected with drashta, then only it gets drishyatvam. When a vastu becomes connected with drashta, then that thing will get drishyatvam. So drishyatvam api drik sambandha eva. Drishyatva is not something else. Like we say, prapanch, vyavaharik prapancho mithya, drishyatva. Drishyatva means, what is drishyatva hetu? It became associated with Chaitanya and it is illumined by Chaitanya. Chidbhasyatvam. Tasya cha swanirvahakatvam na mayikatvam vina iti. If you accept that sambandha has swanirvahakatvam, it is possible only if it is within Maya. They are all series of illusions there. This series of illusions which keeps us in this samsara. And unless we refute all of them, we will not know how to get out of this. So we try to remove one illusion somewhere, and we think, now I got some clear knowledge. How will we have clear knowledge? It is like you are already in Swapna. And in Swapna, some tiger is chasing you, some buffalo is chasing you, some other asuras are chasing you. And at one time, you are getting rid of one problem. And you think, at least this problem is gone. Then another problem comes. Then that is gone. But you are in dream. You wake up, all your illusions will go together. He says this Swanirvahakatvam without Mayikatvam is not possible. And if you say, okay, then I will accept Maya, at the moment you accept Maya, you have accepted our Siddhanta. This we have been saying, that all this is Maya only. तस्य च स्वनिर्वाहकत्वं न मायिकत्वं विना इति न अस्माकं प्रतिकूलम अभ्यधायी देवानां प्रियेण अभिन्नत्वे संबंधत्वा योगात्. This bhasha is not straightforward language. अस्माकं प्रतिकूलम न अभ्यधायी. अस्माकं प्रतिकूलम, contradicting our thinking. न अभ्यधायी, he did not say. Who? देवानां प्रियेण. देवानां प्रिय इति मूर्खः. This is Vartika in Laghu, in Siddhanta Kaumudi. Devanam Priya iti Murkha. Devanam Priya means Murkha. When you say Devanam Priya, what is the samasa? Shashti samasa. Devanam Shashti Tatpurush. But in this samasa, it doesn't become Deva Priya. Devanam Priya iti Deva Priya. It will not become. It will remain Devanam Priya. The sutra is Shashtya Akroshe. Shashti is for Akrosha, means anger and frustration. This, when do you say somebody is Devanam Priya, is a Murkha. So this Murkha, when he said, I will accept Maya, instead of having his own paksha, he has proved our paksha. And he doesn't know how to argue also. So there are some such people. They are called Devanam Priya. Abhinnatve Sambandhatva Yoga. Everybody understood this line or not? Actually, every line is difficult. I hope you understood.
Yes, Swamiji.
Yes?
Yes, Swamiji.
Okay. न अस्माकं प्रतिकूलम अभ्यधायी देवानां प्रिय अभिन्नत्वे संबंधत्व योगा. If the drishyatvam is drik sambandha only, means they are not bhinna, they are abhinna. Abhinnatve, then there is no real extra sambandha, tattvika sambandha. न च एवं आध्यासिक संबंधत्वे अपि एतद् दोष प्रसंग. पूर्व पक्ष से ओके, तात्विक संबंध is not there, आध्यासिक संबंध is also not there, not possible. You say no, in आध्यासिक संबंध this dosha will not be there. Why? तस्य मायिकत्वेन मायायाश्च अघटित घटना पटीयस्त्वेन सर्वानुपपत्तेर भूषणत्वात्. It is मायिक संबंध. मायायाः अघटित घटना पटीयसी. Maya is expert in showing what is not there. That is the strength of Maya. Patiyastvena sarvanupapattehe bhushanatvat. Sarva anupapatti is bhushana for Maya. Somebody says this is not possible. You say that exactly. This is called Maya. Drik drishya sambandha is not possible. Yes. Where Rajju is, Sarpa cannot be there. You say, yeah, this is called Maya. This is Aghatita Ghatana Patiyasi Maya. The Maya Panchakam, this line comes in all shlokas. Agatita Gatana, Patiyasi Maya, like that. So it is not Dushanam, it is Bhushanam for Maya. It speaks of Maya's glory. There is a shloka, I think it comes in Khandan. So that shloka is given in the other Tika, Laghu Chandrika Tika. Atma Shrayadayo doshaha satam nignanti vastuna. Advaitinam te suhradaha prapanche tat prasanjaka. Anywhere, if Atma Shraya adi dosha comes, Anavastha dosha, etc. comes, Satam vastunaha satam nignanti. Satam nignanti means satta abhavam jnapayanti. It shows that the vastu is not sat. Atmashraya dosha, anavastha dosha, or you say this is not possible. Exactly. It shows this thing is not real. Advaiti namte suhradaha. These doshas are very dear to Advaiti. Because whenever such dosha comes, means your original starting point itself is eliminated. Prapanche tat prasanjaka. They are satta abhava jnapakaha. In prapancha, they prove there is no satta. They are like Gandharva Nagara. Swapna maye yatha drishte Gandharva Nagaram yatha tatha vishwamidam drishtam vedanteshu vichakshanaihi. 231 Karika. Okay. न च अति प्रसंग निराकरणार्थम दृग्दृश्ययोः संबंध निर्वचनम प्रकृतम न तु विषयत्व निर्वचनम अतो विषयत्व खंडनम अनुक्त उपालंबनम इति वाच्य. अति प्रसंग निराकरणार्थम. अति प्रसंग, if you don't accept pratikarma vyavastha, in pratikarma vyavastha, karma shabda refers to jnana vishaya, not karma as in prarabdha karma, sanchita karma. Jnana vishaya is called karma. Every jnanam will have only one vishaya. Now whether that vishaya is individual thing or collective objects, samuhalambana jnanam, but it will have only one vishaya. So here what is said, ati prasanga nirakaranartham drigdrishyayoho sambandha nirvacanam prakritam. Purvapakshi says we started this topic of sambandha between drashta and drishya so that ati prasanga doesn't happen, so that we don't say, one drashta is there which illumines all drishya, any drishya becomes known anytime. To avoid that, we started with this discussion of drigdrishya sambandha. Prakritam. Prakritam means we started this discussion. Natu vishayatva nirvachanam. Drigdrishya sambandha was the topic. We never started the topic of vishayatva. What is the vishayatvam? And you are doing khandanam of vishayatva. Ato vishayatva khandanam anukta upalambanam. Topic that we did not discuss or something that we did not say, and you go on doing khandanam of that, and you say, you said it, you said it. I never said anything. Iti nachavachyam, Siddhanti says. Why? By doing vishayatva khandana, we are doing drigdrishya sambandha khandanam. विषयत्व खंडनेन निरुच्यमान प्रकृत संबंधस्यैव खंडनात्. विषयत्व and sambandha between drishya is same, because when there is sambandha, then only there is vishayatvam. If drashta drishya sambandha is not there, like let's say there is a man, there is a woman. If there is no sambandha, means they don't get marriage. Can that man be called husband and woman be called wife? No. Sambandha, when it is there, then they get new term. So between drashta and drishya, when sambandha is there, then drishya will become vishaya of drashta. So sambandha and vishaya becoming vishaya, they are same. Nacha vishayitva aniruktavapi. Why it is not cha. Vishayitva aniruktavapi vishayinah satyatvavat vishayatva niruktavapi vishaya satya syad iti vachyam iti nacha vachyam. Purva Pakshi says Vishayi and Vishaya. What is Vishayi?
Drashta.
Jnana.
Yeah, Drashta. Vishaya, Drishya. Siddhanti says you cannot do nirvachanam of Vishayi, Jnanam. And Vishayi is Satya. Purva Pakshi says Vishayatva also you cannot do nirvachanam. Therefore, Vishaya also will be Satya. If you cannot define Drashta and you say Drashta is Satya, you say we cannot define Drishya, Vishaya, and therefore that is also Satyam. Iti nacha vacya. Vishayitva aniruktavapi Vishaya adhyasenaiva tad upapatya. Vishayitva nirvachanam we are not able to do because it is paramarthika. It is avachya. In that Vishaya is adhyastha. Vishaya adhyasenaiva tad upapatya. Its upapatti happens. Therefore, Vishayi has to be Satyam, in which Vishaya is adhyastha. Vishayatva aniruktau tu Vishayasya satyatvam na yuktam. If you cannot, Vishaya is anirvachaniya, mithya, therefore Vishaya will be Satya, is not right. Why? Vishaya, because Purva Pakshi thinks both the rules should be same. Vishaya you cannot define, you are saying Vishaya is Satya. Vishayi, Jnana. Vishaya you cannot define, Vishaya also should be Satya. Vishayi is anadhyastha. Criteria is not anirvachyatva or aniruktatva or avachyatva. Criteria is what is adhyastha in what. Vishayinah anadhyastatvena. Vishaya adhyasam antarena anyasya upapadakasya abhavat. Abhavat. Vishayi is not superimposed in Vishaya. Vishaya adhyasam antarena anyasya upapadakasya abhavat. Vishaya which is adhyastha, other than that, there is no other upapadaka. Upapadaka for drigdrishya sambandha. Unless Vishaya is adhyastha in drashta, Vishayi, drigdrishya sambandha is not possible. And yatra tu Vishayinah eva adhyasah. Where Vishayi, Jnanam itself is adhyastha, tatra Vishayah Satya eva. यथा अज्ञान विषयो ब्रह्म, अज्ञान विषय इज ब्रह्म, so vishayi will be what?
Brahma only.
No, vishayi will be what?
अज्ञान
Ajnanam. Ajnanam is vishayi, Brahma is vishaya, then vishayi is adhyastha in vishaya, then vishaya is satya, vishayi is mithya. That's this line. यत्र तु विषयिणः एव अध्यासः, विषयिणः अज्ञानस्य, तत्र विषयः ब्रह्म सत्य एव, यथा अज्ञान विषयो ब्रह्म. And if both are adhyastha, पूर्व पक्ष से दिल भी शून्यवाद, we say no, both adhyastha, how you think and how we think is different. I will explain in the next session. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayam Sutra Bhashya Krutau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah. Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.